What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a digital wall clock. Yes, another digital wall clock. Y'all know I reviewed the other one, which went into my garage. This one we might have going into the kids' room. So we will figure that out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, first thing that comes out is the remote. Almost the same as the other one. Power source right here. Right here they give you tax. So here goes the template. This is for the people that, you know, not really into DIY and stuff like that, but this will be their first time hanging something up. This is a good tool to have. I wish all companies do this, especially when hanging mirrors or hanging anything. Slide that out and wow. You guys, this is not that big. This is a nice size to have. So the battery compartment is right here and it takes AAA. So we will get ourselves some AAA batteries. All right. And just like the other clock, you have lights over here, which is nice. Sets, plus, minus, and all right, you have your alarm right here. But if this is going to be on the wall, I doubt that you're going to be, you know, hitting these buttons. You will be using your remote. We are going to get into this as usual when I plug it up. As a matter of fact, you know, I'm just going to go over it right here. I'm not going to hang it up. All right, you guys. So I just installed the batteries. In the instructions, it says the batteries is for memory only. You still need the power cord to power this thing. So we plug this in and then I'm going to plug it in over here. I got me a block. Oh, no, I didn't get a block. I got the block with the USB type C, not the regular USB. Boom. All right. All right, you guys. So some of the video footage got messed up. So I'm just going to go over this remote with y'all so we can learn how to set this up. So if you want to set, when you hit set, you go plus and minus. You can do 24 hours or 12 hours. All right. So set 24 hours, 12 hours. We're going to stay with 12 hours. We regular civilians. We're going to hit set again. Then you set your time. So the time is 4:27. All right. You hit set again. Oh, you have to do this fast. Forgot to tell y'all you have to do this fast. So we're going to hit set. Set. All right, set the hours, you set the minutes, you go plus and minus. This one right here, you are setting the year 2024 and you see how fast it goes away. So you got to do it again. You got to be real fast with this, you guys. So we got 2024 and then right here you set your month, you set your date. So we got May 11th. All right, you hit set again. You could change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, but you have to hit plus and minus and it went away again. So the only thing I can say about this is you have to be really quick when you're setting up your clock. All right. So 2024, May 11th, Fahrenheit or Celsius. All right, you guys. So when you populate the month and the day, it automatically goes to the day of the week over here. So you don't have to worry about nothing about that. All right, you guys. So like the other clock I reviewed, you do have an alarm. So you have alarm 1, you have alarm 2. You can turn them on and off. All right. So you just hit the alarm button right here on the corner. All right, you guys. Now on this side, you have your timer. So over this side, you could have your timer to go forward, or this side, you can have your timer to go backwards. So let me go ahead and hit the timer. This is the forward timer and it shows you right there and you hit OK. And now it's counting up for a timer. You can hit set and to back out, you hit power and then power. Now we're going to hit the timer down. For the timer down, you have to go plus, right? And you got to add time. So let's give it 10 seconds right here. We're going to do a 10-second countdown. We hit OK. Now it's counting down. We're counting down, you guys. We're counting down. And there you go. Your timer went off. So that's your beep for your timer to go off. So if you're not around your clock, you won't know your timer went off, just to let you know on that. So right now, as you can see, you have light on the bottom. So this is naturally supposed to go on the wall. If you don't put it on the wall, you don't see the light. So that's what it is. So you see that? And you could change the lighting Right now I changed it to red. This is white light, green, yellow, pink, orange, cayenne, blue, and you could change it to multicolor, and multicolor will change it to different colors. It's a little bit slow, but as you can see, the colors are changing. So yeah, that's it with that. All right, so probably if you want to see the colors, you can just go ahead and hang this on the wall so it can look very nice on your wall with the colors showing. Or if you just want to leave this on your desk or just leave it on the countertop somewhere, then you could just leave it like that. But remember, you can't see the colors. Anyways, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.